of you are doing well. Whenever you are going outside, wear mask, stay home and stay safe. I am Alok Kumar and you are watching AgriPod YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to never miss the updates. So today we are going to discuss about how to determine the soil moisture percentage with different examples and types. As you know that each year one question definitely comes from this part, so it is most important to discuss and to practice more and more so that we can achieve full mark in this part. So let's start. So the question has given like this: if a soil has field capacity of 70% and permanent wilting point is 55%, then what is the available water content of the soil? So before going to solve this question, let's discuss some basics. What is permanent wilting point and what is field capacity? So field capacity is nothing but it is the upper limit of available water, whereas PWP is nothing but permanent wilting point is nothing but it is the lower limit of available water. Okay, after 24 hours of saturation, the soils held moisture in the micropores and the macropores are held with the airs and some amount of moisture. That point is called as field capacity. After 2 to 3 days, when the plant will start taking the moisture from the plants, the soil will reach to the permanent wilting point at where there is still available of some amount of water for the plant. The plant can take the water from this point also. If this is FC and this is PWP, so this range is nothing but available water content. Okay, so now let's solve this question. So coming to the question, it has given that the FC is 70% and PWP is 55%. So available water content is equal to nothing but FC minus PWP. 70 minus 55, it is 15%. Let's move to the next example. So the next question is a soil sample brought from the field weighing 60 gram and after oven drying it recorded 45 gram. Calculate the moisture percentage. Friends, this is the most common question used to come in the exam. Whether you are attending for JRF, SRF or all state competitive exams, so this is the most common question used to come. Okay, so let's solve how we can do it. Okay, so let's read a soil sample brought from the field means it is the fresh weight. Okay, when it took from the field and it weighing 60 gram, that means that is the fresh weight of the sample. That is 60 gram given. After oven drying, it recorded 45 gram. After oven drying of 24 hours at the temperature of 108 degree centigrade, it gave the dry weight of 45 gram. Okay, fresh weight of the sample has given 60 gram. After oven dry, the dry weight has given 45 gram. Okay, so let's calculate the moisture percentage of the soil. So the formula is percentage moisture on dry weight basis is equal to fresh weight minus dry weight divided by dry weight, because based on dry weight basis, into 100. So the fresh weight is given 60 minus 45 divided by 45 into 100. So you will get 33.3% moisture. Okay. So the next question type is a sample weighing 60 gram lost 12 gram after oven drying. Find out the moisture percentage of the soil and the moisture on volume basis if bulk density is 1.25 gram per cubic centimeter. Okay. So if this type of question comes, let's note down what is given. Okay. No need to worry guys. If this type of question is coming in your exam, then you just note down what is given. Given that a sample weighing 60 gram means fresh weight has given, that is 60 gram. It lost 12 gram after oven drying, means the dry weight is equal to fresh weight minus 12, that is nothing but 6 minus 12 is equal to 48. Okay, dry weight is equal to fresh weight minus 12 is equal to 60 minus 12 is equal to 48. Okay, that is our dry weight. Then find out the moisture percentage. Okay, so the moisture percentage on dry weight basis is equal to, I have denoted as PW. Okay, so fresh weight minus dry weight divided by dry weight into 100. Okay, so 60 minus 48 divided by 48 into 100, so 25%. Okay, now we calculated the moisture percentage based on dry weight basis. Now he has asked the moisture percentage on volume basis, and the BT has given 1.25 gram per cubic centimeter. Okay, you see cubic centimeter is nothing but volume. Okay, 1 cm depth and 1 centimeter square area, that is the volume. So we have to multiply this BT value with this dry weight basis moisture percentage, then we will get the volume basis moisture percentage. So percentage PV is equal to percentage PW into BD. Okay, so 25 into 1.25, so you will get 31.25 centimeter per meter of soil. Okay, this is the amount of moisture in a 1 meter depth of soil. Okay, so the next question has given like this: a soil sample was drawn with a core sampler having dimension of 3 centimeter radius and 19 cm height. Then the fresh weight of the sample has given 537.6 gram and the dry weight of the sample has given 496.8 gram. Then he is asking to calculate the moisture in volume basis. Okay, so let's see what is given. A soil sample was drawn with a core sampler. Core sampler, the shape is like this. It is a cylindrical shape, okay, whose radius has given 3 centimeter and height 19 centimeter. Okay, so to calculate the volume basis, we should calculate the volume of this core first. Okay, so the volume of core is pi r square h. Okay, so pi is nothing but 3.14 into r square, means 3 square is 9 into height is 19 centimeter. Okay, so you will get the value of 536.94 centimeter cube. Okay, after finding the volume, now your duty is to calculate the density. Okay, so the BD is equal to weight by volume. Okay, the density normal formula is weight by volume. So weight by volume, so the weight has given that 496.8 divided by volume is 536.94. So you will get 0.92. Okay, you will get the value 0.92 gram per cc. Next, let's calculate the moisture percentage. That is nothing but fresh weight minus dry weight divided by dry weight divided by dry weight into 100. So fresh weight is given that 537.6 minus 496.8 divided by 496.8 into 100. So you will get 48.8 divided by 496.8 into 100. You will get the value 8.21 percentage. Okay guys, so after getting moisture percentage, you have to multiply this value with the BD value. So percentage PV, that is nothing but moisture percentage in volume basis. So PW, percentage PW into BD. So our PW is 8.21 into BD we got 0.92, so 7.59 percentage. Okay, this is the answer, 7.59. So the next question type is calculate the available soil moisture percentage of the given following soil. It is given that the field capacity of the soil is 52%, at PWP it is 30%, and the actual soil moisture percent is 35%. Okay, so if this type of question comes, most of the students is to feel confused that how to calculate the moisture percentage when the actual soil moisture percentage is given. Okay, so there is a simple formula to calculate this type of problem, and that is available soil moisture is equal to actual soil moisture minus PWP, that is permanent wilting point, divided by field capacity minus permanent wilting point into 100. Okay, so this is the formula to calculate this type of problems. Okay, when actual soil moisture percentage is given, so you have to use this formula, not that FC minus PWP formula. Okay, so here the actual soil moisture percentage is given that 35 minus PWP has given 30 divided by FC is given 52 minus 30 into 100. 5 divided by into 100. So you will get 22.7 percentage. Okay, so this is how you will calculate the available soil moisture percentage when actual soil moisture percentage has given. Okay, thank you guys.